Hi everyone, welcome to TT's Footprints. Today's recipe is an instant crispy bread uttapam recipe. If you are new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. I do post such simple and interesting recipes every week. There are many recipes that teach you to make the instant dosa dough and blend it with the bread to make the uttapam. But as I had the ready-made idli dough purchased from the store, I just tried this recipe a bit differently. I chopped some onions, chillies, tomatoes and coriander and mixed it with the dough along with some spices like chilli powder and garam masala. Add salt to taste. As the dough was a bit too thick, I adjusted the consistency by adding a little water to it. I took some white bread and gave it a round shape. The next step is totally optional. I just toasted the bread so that it remains crisp from within too. Dip each slice of bread in the batter and coat it well. Shallow fry it with very little oil till it is crisp from either side. Repeat the process with the remaining bread slices. Enjoy this crispy, savory bread uttapams with your favorite chutney. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new notifications. Also, please do share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.